Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. Welcome to Play, a weekly news roundup brought to you by Hydroflux, a leading provider of tailored water treatment solutions. In recognising that no two operations are the same, Hydroflux emphasises the importance of customised water and wastewater solutions that meet the specific needs of its customers. In the news this week, first quarter finance figures have been reported over the last couple of weeks, with Coles and Woolworths reporting $10.5 and $13.6 billion in revenue, respectively. Neither supermarket was effusive about their results, tempering market expectations with forecasts of ongoing value-conscious consumer behaviour impacting their performance. There were some highlights, however, with both outfits recording more than 20% growth in e-commerce sales revenue. The other standout was the rise of own label products. Coles exclusive to Coles label penetration was up 33%, with 108 new products launched under the brand. 19 new products were released in Coles Finest and 111 for Coles Simply. 80 new lines were added to its exclusive liquor brand. Over at Woolworths, engagement with its food and everyday digital platforms were pretty healthy, with its Everyday Rewards membership growing to more than 10 million active users in the quarter. As it stands, the retailers are still under scrutiny, with the ACCC holding public hearings over the next 2 weeks as part of its 12-month inquiry into pricing practices, competition and supply chain processes. Tune in on the 18th and 19th of November for Woolworths' appearance, and Coles is going to be on the 21st and the 22nd. And on the 7th and 8th of November, consumer advocacy groups, industry groups and suppliers will appear at the hearing, while Aldi and Metcash will be on the 11th and 12th and 14th and 15th respectively. Goat milk infant formula company Bubs Australia recorded $19.7 million in revenue for the first quarter. It's slightly down on the prior corresponding period, but CEO and MD Reg Ween reconfirmed the company was on track to meet its financial year guidance of $102 million net revenue, a gross margin of more than 40% and a break-even EBITDA. Coca-Cola Europacific Partners is investing $97 million in its Richmonds facility in Queensland. The first project is a $22 million can line upgrade, with a further $75 million earmarked for a new can line to increase its energy drink production. Now, that's expected to be completed by mid-2025, which is the same time as Suntory Oceania will see the rest of its Swanbank facility in Ipswich, Queensland, come online. We'll be able to witness whether Suntory's V or CCEP's Monster energy drinks have the stamina with those pesky, fickle consumers. And Coles is also investing the big bucks, announcing it will build a new $880 million automated distribution centre in Truganina, Victoria. It will be the third and largest ADC that Coles has commissioned, and it will also be doing so still in partnership with Witron Australia and its automation technology. French cheese manufacturer Bel Groupe has opened an Australian subsidiary, Bel Brands Australia, with the goal of working more closely with retailers while directly managing its brand and its brand distribution. Bel has been in Australia for more than 40 years, with cheese brands Baby Bel, The Laughing Cow, Kiri, Port Salut and Borson. It has nationwide distribution as well, with major retailers including Woolies and Coles, Costco and Metcash. The ACCC says it won't oppose the merger of Sanitarium's Weet-Bix and Nestlé's Uncle Toby's Vitabrits. Sanitarium will acquire Vitabrits branding, IP and goodwill, but not Uncle Toby's branding or manufacturing assets. The ACCC said its investigation found that consumers don't typically switch between the two, so the merger would not substantially lessen competition. And JBS Australia has marked the 50th anniversary of its Beef City meat processing site. Located just west of Toowoomba in Queensland, Beef City was originally built as one of Australia's first large-scale feedlots. Today, it is one of only 2 integrated feedlots and processing plants in the country. It processes around 1,000 cattle a day and produces almost 90,000 tonnes of beef every year. And last week at the Oz Innovation Awards, National Reconstruction Fund Corporation Chief Investment Officer, that's a lot of words, Dr. Mary Manning, announced that the first investments from the $15 billion fund would be announced within weeks. Cynicism at how long it's taken aside, this is pretty exciting, and I for one am hoping there are some food manufacturing recipients in the mix. Whew, that'll do for this week, I think. For all these stories and more, please head to the website foodanddrinkbusiness.com.au. Thanks to Hydroflux for its ongoing support. And with that, I'm Kim Berry, over and out.